I want to tell you my experience with the Dr. Flores cleanse was absolutely phenomenal.
But with Dr. Flores, I have so much energy now.
My experience with Dr. Flores' products has just been remarkable.
Dr. Flores, you have changed my life.
Well, my experience with Dr. Flores has been very good.
I realized I was having, this newfound energy. I wasn't spending money on energy drinks anymore. I didn't need them, and I realized Dr. Flores was really working for me.
The Dr. Flores system helped me so much.
Starting the Dr. Flores program, I noticed within the second day I didn't need a nap.
Since completing Dr. Flores colon cleanse, I have found that it's easier for me to fall asleep and stay asleep.
I used to have a headache every day, and I haven't had a headache since I started Dr. Flores.
I lost a lot of my gut. I'm very happy about that.
I'm a real person who tried the product. It worked. I felt much better when I was done, and I recommend it for everyone.
Migraine headaches, they would literally run through the front of my head to the back. They were so severe, and I do not have them anymore. It's awesome.
Once you're on the Dr. Flores program, you'll find that you actually have more energy. You don't get so tired.
It actually got to the point that I stopped making coffee. I realized when I woke up, I didn't need it.
There was no need for that sugar or caffeine, any of that. You just didn't need it. You didn't want it.
My headaches decreased dramatically.
Absolutely, my vision has improved. I definitely would not have been able to see this without glasses before Dr. Flores' product.
Now I wake up, I'm happy, I go to work, people love hanging out.
Additionally, with all this energy, I just get things done.
I noticed I have better breath.
With Dr. Flores, I have no acne on my arm, and I have no acne on my back.
Once I started taking Dr. Flores, about 2 weeks in, I was with my father and he said, you know what, your skin looks really good, which usually means a woman is pregnant. And I'm like, no, I'm far from pregnant, but I am taking this Dr. Flores.
It's easy, very, very easy to do. There's no cramping and there's no bloating.
It was surprising that I was able to go the entire day without having a lull.
I lost about 8 pounds. It's been about 3 weeks since I finished the cleanse, and those 8 pounds still haven't returned.
Now, since the Dr. Flores program, I am more focused.
Because my dad passed away from colon cancer. I think this here keeps all of the toxins out of your body to help prevent that.
You feel good about yourself, so your attitude changes about life.
He can also see the energy in his mom, and that's huge.
Being more focused, more on task, that right there was something that was really missing in my life.
But after taking Dr. Flores, I no longer have the blurred vision. I have no problems while driving.
I was experiencing headaches almost daily. I have not had a single headache since I started the program.
My skin is so much better.
The headache's gone, and I don't have to take ibuprofen. There's no medicine I have to take. It's been really great. They've just been non-existent.
I used to have to take a nap every day. I was always tired, and now I feel great. I would wake up before the alarm clock ever went off in the morning, which was a definite change for me.
My immune system's new. I'm not getting as sick as often.
My stomach flattened out within just a couple of days.
People notice, and they talk to me, what's different, what's changed?
You feel brand new. That's exactly how you feel.
I feel like I'm reversing time. I feel like I'm 20 years old again. And I thought I was always going to feel the way I have felt until I started to take the colon cleansing product.
I feel like I'm 38. I feel like the clock has turned back.
It's been so great because I can eat anything that I want, and I don't have a stomach ache, I don't hurt, I'm not paying for it later, so it's been really great.
As the toxins went out of my body, that toxic plaque left my body, my mood improved and my energy level has improved. Now I'm able to get out there and play with my boys.
It's the easiest thing you can possibly do. It doesn't change your lifestyle in any way but make it better.
Dr. Flores, it's a snap. It's so easy. I definitely would choose it again and again.
I would definitely recommend Dr. Flores.
Just feel awesome. I really feel awesome. If you get the opportunity to try this.
Dr. Flores is going to make millions because this product truly has worked for me.
Everyone on the planet should try Dr. Flores.